go check out Chaba Resort. It's on Soi Buakhao. Here are the rooms. Pink Studio Junior Suite, the hut, pink apartment, and the Chaba view. Let's have a look. I used to, I stayed here once before in this building here. This is the cheapest rooms here. I think they're like standard rooms. Back in the day, I think I paid like 450 baht. I think the prices are up now, and that was like over 10 years ago. But me and my buddies used to come here all the time because we used to stay in a hotel which we did not have a swimming pool, so we used to come down here and just use the pool, and they would just charge us back in the day like 100 baht. But we'd come here, you know, with our girls, and we'd stay here all day, man. We'd have a great time, great food in the pools. It was really nice. It was kind of like a resort style. Kind of made you feel like you weren't in Pattaya, like you were in like some kind of like island or whatever, because of all the nice trees, like palm trees. So it's pretty cool. Here's the pool. It hasn't changed much. They redid the wood here though. Looks a lot better now, actually. Looks great. And the whole floor is all redone. Let's go around here first. See if my buddy, oh, he's still working here. He used to work here all the time. I don't know if he's still here. He's a Thai guy. So. Oh. What's up? Somebody mai? So as you can see, there's like, you can stay in these little huts in the back, like family suites. So it's pretty cool. But you know, when it's like this, there's usually more mosquitoes, so that's what you have to be aware of. And you have all this vegetation here, more mosquitoes. So there we go, Pink Studio, 401 to 407, Pink Studio again over here, my right as well. Oh, this goes way back here, man. There's lots of property here. Oh. Yeah, it's quiet, nice and peaceful. If that's what you're into, that's what you want, this is the place for you. These are all Pink Studios. It's nice here. It's not hot in here actually. It's nice. Lots of sun. All these trees. It's great. Well, let's go up front and see if we can look at a room. Just ask how much are walk-in rates. I know you can get this. You can check out agoda.com and get rates. So this looks like a family suite, 2 levels. It's just like an office right over here. Hello, Sawadee-ka. You have room rates? How much are rooms? Yeah, just how much for room rates here? 600. Oh yeah. Pink apartment. Pink apartment is that over there, right? Yeah, that's the cheapest. 600 baht daily, monthly 15,000 baht. High season 1,000 baht, 18,000. So high season December 1st.
Yeah.
Pink studio 890 baht, 24,000 baht per month, 1,500 baht. High season 27,000 baht per month. Huts 890 baht. Hut bungalow 1,990 baht, 45,000 baht a month. High season 3,000 baht. Wow, it's a double. So over 1,000 baht more, yeah, for these ones.
Oh, it's full for 4 months already.
Oh yeah. Full already.
Yeah.
One free breakfast. Oh yeah. Studio room. This is a junior suite. You guys are full right now? Do you have any rooms available?
Yeah, which one you like to take a look?
Yeah. Can I have a look at the pink studio?
Pink studio. พี่ดาดูห้องจ้าเอาไป
ทาน
ทำ
ดำครับพี่
ฮะ
ทานดำก็ดีขึ้นไปทานดำด้วยครับทานง่ายก็ดีน้อยนึงครับ
นั่นน่ะลูกค้าที่น่ะนอนอยู่จ้ะนี่ใช่ไหม
ครับขอบคุณครับ
คนนั้นแหละให้ใส่แว่น
Pink studio, yeah. Have a look. Go with man or wait for man?
Yeah.
This guy? Okay. You have Wi-Fi including, right?
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, water. Okay. Ah, big. Have lots of mosquitoes sometimes? Yeah, sometimes, yeah. Walk-in shower, good size, clean. And everything here. Neat. Sometimes because lots of trees, right? And mosquitoes.
You've been here before?
I've been here one time, long time ago, maybe 10 years ago.
I remember you.
I used to stay in the pool all the time. I used to bring my friend, we used to go swimming all the time.
Yeah.
But we never stayed, I stayed here once, but we never stayed here. We stayed in another hotel all the time, but we just come here swimming. So, yeah, good. Pink studio. Okay, thank you. Cup and cup. Looks really nice. I do YouTube videos. I'm on YouTube, so.
Yeah.
You could. Can you smoke here as well?
Yes.
Also, you can smoke out, but not inside room. Not inside room. Only outside. So you.
If you like inside.
Oh, so no problem. You can smoke inside.
But to smell
Yeah,
the room.
yeah. And you can bring lady in room?
Yes.
Guest friendly. Okay, guest friendly. Guest friendly, guys. I think I remember you too. You still
Yes.
work here, yeah? I used to know a guy named O. He still work there?
Oh, finished.
Oh, he finished, yeah? Long time ago?
Yeah.
Hey, you remember me, Ray? I used to come here with a guy named Ray.
Rare.
Remember Ray, small, had blue eyes, blonde hair?
I think.
We used to come here all the time.
When
We
I
used,
see
to,
that-
we used to bring ladies here all the
When I see
time, you
the
know?
fake, I know.
Yeah, yeah. I remember you now. I remember.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Chucky. So there you have it. That's the pink studio at the Chaba hut. Good sized room, and you know what? I would stay here too. Maybe next time I will. No gym, no problem. It's just a gym, like a 2-minute walk down there. Thank you. 2 minutes from here, there's a gym. Tony's gym. Just go straight, take a right. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you out in deciding which hotel you want to stay in Pattaya City. And enjoy your life. Cheers. And oh yeah, and please subscribe to Pattaya Slime Man. Thank you. Cheers.